Gmelius allows Emily and her remote team to collaborate and work together closer than ever before. With Gmelius Kanban boards, Emily is sure everyone gets an overview of their project pipeline and stays on the same page. Emily and her team also use Gmail shared labels to organize their communications and the workflows that follow. You can choose to share your Gmail labels with specific team members. For example, only those who are in contact with a certain client or actively working on a specific project. When a new email arrives from a certain client, Emily adds it to a shared label so everyone involved can be aware. To add context to her emails, Emily likes to leave quick notes to her team on the side of an email conversation. No need to clutter her team's inbox with CCs or forwards. With Gmelius, you also no longer have to waste time recreating common replies. Instead, you can easily add in email templates directly from your Compose window. Gmelius allows you also to track the status of an email and receive a detailed activity report, including if it was opened, when it was opened, how many times, and even where your recipient was located when they did, and whether or not they clicked on any of your links. Emily can also get an understanding of how her team is performing by looking at the various team reports, including conversations and productivity. She can also filter her team's activity by a certain shared label or shared inbox. As you can see, with Gmelius, distance doesn't matter. Your team is empowered to succeed whether they are local or remote.